Melissa from Buckeye Groceries and Things, and today is Declutter My Space, and boy, do I need it. With me being a creative and me having a small business in my home, it seems like everything piles up. So I'm going to be going through some totes of things that I've collected for the business and see what I can declutter. The host of this collaboration is the Grace Life DIY. Please go check her out, and the playlist and the host will be in my description. Okay, this is our stand. Let's declutter it. First, I'm going to start with the trash. This is one of those stands that everything catches to. And then I'll clean it. Hold on, my bag. I'm gonna start by putting all the trash in the trash bag. These are going in the declutter box. This is going in the declutter box. That'll go in the declutter box. This is going in the declutter box. That's going in the declutter box. And then we bought these years ago, and I never used them. I think this one's going in the declutter box. And this is a paintbrush. I'm going to put that over there with the paintbrushes. And then we are going to clean this. Since you never seen it, this is my hand embroidery that I did for years. And then got out of sewing. Get this dusted off, which I hate to dust, you can tell. Everything is really dusty. I'm going to fill the picture finally with, since we moved, I've never filled these picture frames. Only one. So I'm going to go and I'm going to get a photo and put in this. And I'm going to put down a different runner because that one was filthy. And I think this will match my yellow sunflowers for summer on the entryway table. I gotta give that his pencil back. I don't know how it ended up in here. You know, they travel in from the wood shop. gonna get some all-purpose cleaner. There's dirt there. I may have to get a magic eraser for that. Okay, this is going to be retired. 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 I'm getting rid of this. These. I think there's another one in there somewhere. And I'm going to have to go get in there and get rid of some more cups. I don't know what this is. This is going to go away too. Okay, that will, as you can see, looks a lot better. Okay, getting rid of these. This. One of my Temu items that was not what I expected. This. And a casserole dish. Getting rid of this. I was gonna thrift flip it, and then I have no interest in doing it. And me and Thad tripped over this crazy thing multiple times, so bye-bye. Okay, I'm getting rid of 1, 2, 3 cross wreath forms. Mine, I don't like the way they turn out, so why make them? A handful of bunnies that I don't need. I was going to repaint them. No.